How to fix fading monitor screen or computer screen looks washed out. So if you want to fix this problem, the first thing you need to do is update your display driver. Often an older display driver is culprit for your troubles. So updating it will resolve this issue easily. Now to begin the process, you can head over to the device manager, right click on your Windows and then click on device manager. And now you need to find the display adapters. Once you find them, enlarge it and then right click on them. Like for example, I'll go with the Intel, right click on it. And here you will have properties. You can go with properties and go with driver section. Under driver, you will have update driver option. So you just need simply go and update your driver, and after updating your driver, your problem might be fixed. If that does fix your problem, then the second solution is restart your computer, or you can roll back updates to display driver. Sometimes latest Windows update or any driver update can also lead to this issue. And in such cases, rolling back to update can solve your problems. Now to do that, you need to head over to your Windows icon, right click on it, go with device manager. Now you can go with display adapters, and here you need to right click on it, go with properties and make sure that you have roll back driver option. If it is available, then you can just simply go and roll back your driver. Click on it. If it is available, then you can click on it and then you can update your rollback. After that, you can restart your computer and it will fix your problem. Or the third solution is you need to uninstall your drivers. And after installing your drivers, you need to again restart your device and it will automatically install after restarting. So these were the few solutions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.